In this video, I will show you how to change your monitor refresh rate. Whether you're trying to switch from 60Hz to 120Hz, 144Hz, 165Hz, or another supported refresh rate, this quick guide will show you where to find the setting and how to change it. If this video helps you out, make sure to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and easy tech guides. Now to do this, what you want to do is you want to be on your desktop and just right click onto a blank space of your desktop. What that's going to do is open up a window like this. From here, you want to come and click onto display settings. What that's going to do is open up your display settings window. Now from here, if you scroll down, you want to look for advanced display. So it's underneath related settings just down here. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. What you can then do is find the display that you want to change the refresh rate for. So because I'm on laptop, I've just got my internal display and you can see there is an option here to choose a refresh rate. Now by default, it should be selected to the correct refresh rate for your monitor, but of course you can click this and see all the supported refresh rates for your monitor. So all you need to do is simply click to change your refresh rate. It's going to ask if you want to keep these display settings, so you just want to click on to keep changes, or if it's not displaying correctly, you can click on to revert, and that's going to revert back to your default refresh rate. So that's how to change monitor refresh rate. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows and easy tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.